From sci-fi dreams to real-world innovation, delivery drones are taking flight and transforming the way packages reach your door. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the cutting-edge tech shaping the future. Today, we're diving into the world of delivery drones. Hey everyone! Today we're talking about delivery drones, what they are, how they work, the current state of the technology, and what the future might hold. So if you're excited about the idea of getting packages delivered by drone, let's get into it. What are delivery drones? Delivery drones are autonomous or semi-autonomous aerial vehicles designed specifically to transport goods from one location to another. Equipped with advanced GPS, sensors, and obstacle avoidance technology, they can navigate from a warehouse or a distribution center directly to your doorstep. How do delivery drones work? So, how do these drones actually get packages to us? 1. Loading the package. First, at the warehouse, packages are loaded into a secure compartment within the drone. The drone is programmed with the delivery address and a predetermined route. Flight path and navigation. Once in the air, the drone uses GPS navigation, paired with sensors and sometimes cameras, to avoid obstacles like trees, buildings, or even birds. Some delivery drones are equipped with LiDAR technology, enabling them to create a 3D map of the environment for safer navigation. Thethos precision landing or drop-off? When it reaches the delivery location, it either lands to safely drop off the package or uses a winch system to lower the package to the ground without landing. Why are companies investing so much into this technology? Let's break down the benefits. Drones can bypass ground traffic and follow direct routes, cutting down delivery times significantly, especially in urban areas where congestion is a major issue. Most delivery drones run on electric batteries, meaning they have a smaller carbon footprint compared to traditional delivery trucks. Delivery drones can reach remote areas or places difficult to access by ground vehicles, like mountainous regions or islands. This technology could be life-changing in regions where transportation is limited. Challenges and limitations. Of course, no technology is without its hurdles. Let's talk about some of the biggest challenges holding back delivery drone deployment. Many countries are still figuring out the best way to regulate drone traffic in their airspace. Safety and privacy concerns have made this a complex issue. Battery life is still limited for most delivery drones, restricting how far they can travel on a single charge. This could limit drones to short-range deliveries unless battery technology improves. Wind, rain, and other weather conditions can severely impact a drone's performance, making it unreliable in certain regions or seasons. Future of delivery drones. So, what does the future hold? As technology advances and regulations evolve, delivery drones could become a common sight in the skies above our cities. We might even see innovations like drone hubs or specialized drone lanes in the sky to help manage traffic. Plus, advancements in AI could enable drones to make even smarter decisions in flight. With zero emissions, DHL drones help to reduce the carbon footprint associated with traditional delivery vehicles. This green initiative aligns with DHL's commitment to sustainability and is a great example of how technology is helping to create a more eco-friendly delivery ecosystem. So, that's a quick look at the powerful technology behind DHL's delivery drones. With these incredible capabilities, DHL is shaping the future of delivery logistics, one airborne package at a time. So, There you have it. Delivery drones are on the brink of transforming logistics as we know it. While there are still hurdles to overcome, the potential benefits are massive. What do you think? Are you ready for a future where drones deliver your packages? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the future of tech. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.